way of the wind. Cheetahs are the shadow hunters. They'll always try to muffle any cries in soft but lethal mouths. It's hard to keep secrets out here. While it's not the way of the cheetah to fight a fight you cannot win, just handing over a kill is always hard. Hyenas are 3 times their weight and quick to turn the delicate eland into a blood spot in time. Wherever these 5 highly efficient males go, their presence ripples through the savannah to everyone up the food chain.